Hey everybody, I have something I want to share with you. I was given an old floor jack, a hydraulic jack. It didn't move. I couldn't pump it up. It just wouldn't go up. Neither could I turn the handle. I couldn't rotate the handle to move the teeth on the thing so that it would raise or lower. So I didn't know if I needed fluid or if there was some other problem. Also, the other issue was the wheels were crusty and had dirt and debris in it. They wouldn't roll. Now, see, the handle can turn now, and down below the teeth will turn and spin like they're supposed to. But when I first got it, that was not the case. So I decided I wasn't going to mess with the fluid yet and take it apart. So I just went for the first thing that I decided to do was check out these gears. Now, as you can see, they move freely now. And that's because I went ahead and got me some PB Blaster. And I also wound up getting a screwdriver and picking all the dirt and rust and stuff out of the teeth and all around all the metal parts. And then I went and sprayed it with PB Blaster. And I got myself some channel locks. And I just worked it and sprayed it and cleaned it and worked it and sprayed it and cleaned it until the teeth started spinning around properly, freely, without binding up. And I got all beneath there. I got all through there. Anywhere where I thought I needed to spray or clean and metal was touching metal and something should be freed up, I just went ahead and sprayed liberally with PB Blaster. And I just worked it with that channel lock. And I got to the point where I could move the teeth with my hand and the top of the handle too. I could just easily reach up there and just spin that and the teeth would go and it was nice and smooth. Then I turned the same thing to the wheels. I decided to clean the wheels. This thing had lint, pet hair, and everything. Dirt, rocks, gravel, sand. So I cleaned that out and started spraying it and cleaning it and spraying it and working that PB Blaster in there. And sure enough, the wheels freed up. They started to turn. And I just did the same thing again. I kept on cleaning and spraying all the crevices. Get you a pick or a small screwdriver and work out all the dirt and debris and spray liberally with PB Blaster. I highly recommend that stuff. I mean, it worked so well, I just went out on my gravel driveway and jacked up my car. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.